Take a deep breath and let the beauty of nature ground you in the present moment. As you gaze upon serene landscapes, allow these mantras to flow through your mind. I am present. I am here. I am now. Feel the earth beneath your feet, the breeze against your skin, and the gentle rustle of leaves. Repeat to yourself, with each breath, I find my calm. Embrace the tranquility around you and within you. Let go of yesterday's worries and tomorrow's uncertainties. Focus on the now. I am connected to nature, and in this connection, I find peace. Allow these words to guide you to a place of inner serenity and profound mindfulness.